Then catch that flame, 'cause beauty is my name. What up, beauty gang? HALFRICAN Beauty here, and today I'm back with yet another video, a super exciting video, because as y'all know, it is wig season, sis. So I am all about being versatile and trying new things, especially colors this year. If you haven't seen my most recent wig video where your girl went lavender, definitely be sure to check that out after this video. But today's video is in collaboration with LakiHair. They sent me a 613 body wave wig that I am going to be dyeing an extremely bold color today. But before I hop into this video, if you are new to beauty gang and you ain't never heard of us, I don't know where you've been or what you've been doing, but we are so happy that you have stumbled across this video. You know why? You know why? I'm gonna tell you why. Because beauty gang is lit, honey. If you don't believe me, go ahead and check the comment section below and you will see multiple beauty gang members vouching for the fact that we are hella and stupid lit over here. So after you've done that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video. And then I can hop into this thing. So as I stated before, I got a 613 body wave wig. It is 22 inches, and honey, this thing is thick. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys real quick just so we can get a feel for the hairline and whatnot before the process begins. Alright. As y'all can see, this is super duper blonde. And I won't lie, the wig was a little bit difficult to get in. I'll show you guys that right after I show you this hairline. So as you can see with this hairline, it's extremely dense. It did come with, I guess, baby hairs, but those baby hairs are super long and I probably won't use them. The fit of this wig is just very interesting because when I take the wig off, it has this like lace layer. I don't know, I guess it helps with like the stability of the wig on your head, but it kind of, I think, messes things up in terms of me being able to like stretch the wig properly. Because as you can see inside, this is like the lace that I just showed y'all, and then this is the back of the wig, and then you also have the frontal to pull over, and that just, it's a little odd to me. So to be honest, I'll probably end up cutting this lace part off because I just don't really think it's necessary. But yeah, y'all saw it. The hairline is super dense, so I'm gonna have to customize that. But the hair overall is really dense, which I like. I love thick and dense hair, so I guess essentially I got what I asked for. But I'm doing an extremely bold color. Well, dang near every color I do this wig season is gonna be bold because it's a color, it's not normal. But the color I'm doing today, I think it would go best with dark roots, so I did pick up some brown hair dye just to put on the roots so it transitions from the color a lot nicer. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hop into that. Alright y'all, so this is a trick that I learned from watching some YouTube videos. People would spray their lace with Got to Be Glued freeze spray before adding dye to the roots so that it wouldn't seep through the lace and stain it. One thing I will say though, I only did one coat. I suggest doing two because I did have some parts of my lace that did stain. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Wella 7B root color and the Wella Developer in volume 20. Both products were recommended by Larissa Andrea here on YouTube. She's super bomb at wigs, coloring, all that jazz. So I went ahead and bought that from Sally Beauty. However, I wish I would have went with my gut instinct with the root color because they had two different colors. They had the 7B, which I got, and then they had like a 6BB or something like that that was a little bit darker, and I feel like it would have went way better with my skin complexion and would have transitioned into the color I'll be dyeing the wig way better. But that's just a note to self to remember next time. Now all I'm doing is just going in with a small angle dyeing brush, which is perfect when it comes to dyeing roots because it gets all up in those crevices just the way you need it. And by the way, another quick fun fact I learned is that when you are dyeing the roots of a lace frontal wig, all you need to do is do the actual frontal. You don't have to dye the roots of the whole entire wig because people are only going to really see the frontal anyways. So that's what I did. I only dyed the roots of the very front of the wig, and then I went ahead and let it marinate for 35 minutes. After that, now it's time to watercolor the wig, going in with two different ginger colors, one in Adore. The first round I'm going to use the whole bottle of Adore in ginger, and then I'm going to go ahead and stir that all up. Then I'm going to just simply place the hair in the water, make sure it's all the way in there so that all parts of the wig can get dyed, and then I wait for 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes later, as you can see, the wig definitely took the color, but there are still some blonde spots that didn't 100% take, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the other bottle of ginger. This time it's from Kiss Color, so I pour some in there, then stir it up, and I realized the wig is super dense, so I just went ahead and used the whole bottle of that too eventually because I needed the whole wig to be evenly dyed. So I go ahead, place the wig back in for round 2, and then I leave it in for 5 minutes again. Now believe it or not, after another 5 minutes there was still a little bit of blonde spots, so that's why I said I eventually used the whole second bottle and I placed the wig in there for a 3rd time. So this is just something to be mindful of if you're dyeing or trying to watercolor a really dense wig. It might take more than just 1 or 2 rounds to fully watercolor it. So yeah, after that 3rd time the wig had fully watercolored, so I was pleased with it. Then I went ahead and thoroughly detangled the hair with my paddle brush to prep it for styling. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the styling process, and then I'm gonna catch up with you a little bit later. These are my final results and I am loving it, honey. I am loving it. Like, I am so glad I decided to make this wig season bold because I am embodying these colors, okay? Who knew I could ever rock gingered color hair? I didn't until now. I really love this though. I love how my hair came out and I love the density of this wig. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love thick hair. Styling was a little bit annoying just because, you know, the more dense the hair, the longer it's gonna take to style it, but I am not complaining. I think this is so cute and I think it's perfect for the holiday season too, so yes. Let me go ahead and show you guys a back view real quick. Couple of things about the actual wig itself though that I don't really care for. One, I think the wig is too big for my head size, to be honest, because if I lift this up in the back, it's not secure, and it might have to do with the fact that I cut off that lace part in the beginning, but I don't really know why that was there in the first place, because if I kept it there then you would have been able to see it through the actual frontal. So that, and then also this wig also has white for the bundle weft and you can see it through the hair. Only way somebody would see it is if they're looking at me stupid close, but that's just something I wanted to mention. This was my first time making dark roots on a 613 wig, so I feel like with practice makes perfect. I didn't do terrible, but I definitely peeped some mistakes that I can work on. All the products I use in today's video, along with the link to this wig and their website, is going to be in the description box below if you are interested. Before I leave though, I do want to do my post notification shout out. So today's post notification shout out goes to Shania Thomas. Really hope I pronounced that right. Shania Thomas. Shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for being part of Beauty Gang, and thank you so much for being a part of Notification Squad. If any of you guys are interested in possibly being shouted out, all you have to do is be subscribed to Beauty Gang, aka my channel. Then hit that bell button after you subscribe so you're notified each time I post a new video. And then on every new video of mine that you see, go ahead and hashtag Notification Squad, hashtag Notification Gang, hashtag Beautification, hashtag something to let me know you're part of that ride or die circle. You have the potential to be shouted out. But yeah, y'all, that is all I have for you. Oh, and please be sure to comment more wig colors you'd like to see me try below, because 'tis the season. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe again if you are new. And until next time, guys, bye. Move your body 'cause 11
Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause you